So this bottle of gas, which is almost empty, weighs 4.8 kilos, bottle and gas. This could prove to be a bad idea. Now it's all wired in. I think it might be switched on already. So I'm going to have a look at the battery management system for one of the batteries, the big one, and you can see it's charging there at just under 400 watts, which is what I'd expect really, given that the power is going into this battery and 3 or 4 other batteries on the same bus bar. So then taking a look at the Victron app for one of the Pylon Tech batteries, the 5000 battery, you can see in the bottom right there it says charging 337 watts, and that is about right. So you've got 5 kilowatt hour battery there, you've got a 10 kilowatt hour battery that we've just seen in the previous clip, and then you've got about 5 kilowatt hours of other batteries as well, so it seems to be about right. We've got 1 kilowatt of a charger, and it seems to be going into the batteries as I would expect, so it does seem to be working, turning gas into electricity. It's really loud outside. It's down to 4.5 kilos of gas, so that means in about 12:24, in about 20 minutes it's used 0.3 of a kilo of gas running that generator. It started sounding erratic, so I think it's basically out of gas. So it died at 12:44, so it was running for 40 minutes, I would say. 4.4 kilos it says there. Is that right? Do one more time. Yeah, it says 4.4. So 0.4 of a kilo of gas. Don't know if that's right or not. It's only, one test on an old scales. 0.4 of a kilo of gas for 40 minutes. So a kilo of propane should have 14 kilowatt hours of energy. We used 0.4, that should be 5.6 kilowatt hours of energy. We were running it for 40 minutes on a 1 kilowatt hour charger, or 1 kilowatt charger. That should be 0.66 kilowatt hours. Do some maths and you get an efficiency of 11.78%. You tell me in the comments below if you think roughly 12% is a good enough efficiency rate for charging that battery direct from LPG. And like, subscribe and leave a comment or whatever you like. Thanks for watching. See you later.